This is an Algebra 1 Regent question from the June 2014 Regent question number 29. On the set of axes below, draw the graph of the equation y is equal to negative 3 over 4x plus 3. This is actually only the first part of the question. There is a second part of the question which we are not going to do in this video because it's not related to the topic of drawing graphs of equations. So let's graph this equation. We have y is equal to negative 3 over 4x plus 3. Whenever an equation is in the form y is equal to mx plus b, m is the slope, and b is the y-intercept. So the slope in this case is negative 3 over 4, the y-intercept is 3. Whenever we graph, we first want to graph the y-intercept, so that this equation crosses the y-axis. It's y is equal to 3. And then we want to use our slope. Our slope in this case is negative 3 over 4. That means that our change in y values means that we're going down 3 for every change in x values up to the right 4. So let's do that. Down 3 to the right 4. Let's do that again. Down 3 to the right 4. That's another point. And we can connect these points. And of course you want to put an arrow at the end to show that it goes on forever in that direction. On the region, you will also want to continue line into the second quadrant. You don't want to just end it by the y-axis. You want it to cross over the y-axis as well. How are you going to do that? Remember that negative 3 over 4 is the same thing as positive 3 over negative 4. Now this means that our change in y values is going up 3 for every change in x values of negative 4 is to the left 4. So now we can continue from the point where it crossed the y-axis and go up 3 and left, in this case we're moving left 4. And that's going to be another point. And let's do that again. Up 3 and left 4. That's another point. Of course, we want to connect the points and put an arrow at the end to show that it doesn't end by the end of this page. It goes on forever in that direction as well. And this would be the graph of your line. Y is equal to negative 3 over 4x plus 3.